Hi, here's a quick video on how to edit the wording on your home page of your website here. So you first want to go to is your domain name that you have, and then type in /wp-admin right there. And actually, let me need the last dash there, but you just do it like that. And then once you do that, it'll take you to the login page where you'll enter the username and password that I have emailed you. When I let you know that your website was all up and running. And if you come to your page and you see it like this, where you have like a black bar up here with like your website name and then these extra things like theme options and edit page and all that stuff, then you already are logged in if you've logged in before, and your computer will remember that you've been logged in if you've logged in your website before normally. Um, so how to edit this part here is when you scroll over it with your mouse, you'll see a thing that pop up that says edit block. So you just click on edit block. It'll take you right to the page section where you can edit the words for that. So you're going to see some code up here and underneath it here. That part you just want to leave alone. The only thing you need to change is, like, if you want to change the wording part here. So let's just say if you want to add on, I got another little tip too. If you want to make it like the same size as one of these, and this, like, you're going to want to like start typing in that section, because if you go underneath it, you can see you type in and it looks like nice and it's small. It doesn't look like big like the other one does. So, but if you type up here and you say like, yay, we are open, and then you want to, like, say, put that underneath here. Now I'm actually going to copy this. I'm going to show you something else too. And so then after that, you can just, once you're done with changing whatever you want to say, then you click on update right here, the blue button that says that, and then it'll swirl around there. And when it's done, you'll know the page refreshes and says, if post updated, view post. So now, because we put a bunch of extra lines in here, it's actually going to make it so it doesn't fit on the page. And I'll show you what I mean. So if you click on, actually, if you hold the control button down and then click on the visit site, then it'll open up another tab, and that way you can kind of see what you're doing by having two tabs open. Like, one will be the your website, and then the other one will be the admin area of your website that you're working on. So now you can see like how like those buttons that were underneath there got pushed off, and the top part got pushed off the top there. So it looks like it's doesn't look correct. So to fix that, all you have to do is, you'll see this number right here where it says 400 px. That stands for pixels. But you can just make that larger until it's looks good. So you just change that 400 to say, it could be any number. It just depends on how much you wrote on there. Let's say 700 this time, just to see what that looks like. And then you just wait a second and click on update and let that refresh. That'll tell you it's been updated. There we go. And now you can go to the other tab and then just refresh the page. And now you can see, okay, now it didn't cut it off, but now there's kind of like too much space above and below it. So now you just go back and let's try 600. So you just kind of play around with that, because it's going to be different for everyone depending on what you write up here and write in there. And just refresh it again, so you get like like a little nice space in there above and below, the top and bottom. So that looks good. So now that's how you edit that part right there. And then if you want to take off something, you just go and delete what you did there, and then have update. And actually, let me go back and make that smaller too. Now, a good word of advice as well is, just in case you're not like, oh my gosh, I ruined my website, everything's I deleted everything on accident or something, I would definitely recommend just clicking here and then copy and pasting all of it like that, and then copy it. Whether you can do with Control C, hold the control button and hit the C, or if your mouse, you know how to copy with your mouse already. Just copy and then paste that, like, in an email to yourself or something. That way, if the worst case scenario happens, you can always just go in here and paste it all back in, and it'll update, and then you can start from this again instead of like deleting code or something on accident, and how the world is ending syndrome happen. But if all goes to hell, you can always just email me or call me and I can help you out too. But that's it for this update, and I'll show you. It just goes back to how it was originally once I change that. There you go. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks.